everyone, it's Katarina from Zappos, and I'm going to show you how to bar lace your shoes. So what you want to do first is unlace your shoes and make sure that the laces are even after unlacing so that one isn't longer than the other. You're going to take one lace and go to the third eyelet on that same side, and from the inside of that eyelet, pull it through to the outside. Then you'll cross over to the third eyelet on the other side. And what you want to do is make sure that your laces are straight when pulling them through. Then you'll take that lace up to the sixth eyelet and from the inside, pull through to the outside. Then you're gonna cross it over to the sixth eyelet on the other side and stick it in from the outside, then pull from the inside, making sure that the laces are straight and tight. Next, you'll go up just one eyelet, and from the inside, you'll pull it through to the outside, leaving the last eyelet free. And you're gonna repeat those steps on the other side with the available eyelets.